disaster again this week. We can't win for losing. We've got a new crew member, Pete, over there. If you have a look at him, he's come down. He's hit some real financial difficulties from the Midlands. He's got a bit of a gambling addiction. He lost his money, lost thousands on the Czechoslovakian women's volleyball team. He loves it. He just can't get enough of betting on that and expensive chilies. You know, people like cigars, people like caviar. His thing is chilies. He pays up to 10 grand for one chili just to come in because it's better, hotter than the rest. Who knows? Who knows? But he's joined us. You know, he's been kicked out of home for his gambling habits. We just got down to Mein Kampf here, and all of our gold concentrates have been washed away. With piles of it everywhere. It's just gone. You see the tide line there. The water's come all the way up here, swept it away. Our generator, that's gone as well. Benji was here somewhere. He's gone. Not sure where he is. We're gonna have to go. I think he's in camo, so we're gonna go and look down the river for him in a minute. Oh, is he under there? He might be under that. Oh, is he under there? Oh, he's under there, look. No,
I think he's sleeping.
Yeah, he's crashed out.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, so we can't win for losing. I don't know if we're going to be back this season. We're going to have to come and we've got an excavator booked. It's never going to get here. It's got to be helicoptered in. But so now we can just pack up, take the last of the crap with us, and go and find a different site.
Okay.
Absolute disaster.
Sign off.